So exercise 9b, we got some things to differentiate, some exponentials. So we've got 4e to the 7x, and so when we differentiate this, the e to the 7x stays the same. We times by the 7, so it's just 28. For the second one, we've got 3 to the power of x. So the rule for the power of 3 to x is the same as the e to the x1. It stays as 3 to the x, but this time we have to multiply by a ln 3 outside it as well. For the third one, it's the same as that one there. We've just got half to the power of x. So we've got half to the power of x stays the same, and we'll put in ln of a half in the front of it as well. There might be some tidying up to do to that, but I'm going to leave it there. Now the ln of 5. The ln of 5. So dy by dx for this one here. A lot of people are going to make a mistake of this and think it's 1 over 5x, but it's not. It's 1 over x. The reason for that is that this could be split up into ln 5 plus ln x. When you differentiate ln 5, it's just a number, so it disappears. 1 over x. Ln x goes to 1 over x. Should we keep going? Let's do e as well. So this time we've got 4 times 1/3 to the power of x. Similar to the one we've got up here then. So dy by dx. So 1/3 x stays as 1/3 x. We need to times by a ln 1/3. We've also got a 4 there already. So there's that one. For f, we've got the ln of 2x cubed. So like I did here, we need to split this ln up, first of all. This is the same as the ln of 2 plus the ln of x cubed. And the ln of x cubed is 3 ln x. Now we can differentiate it. Dy by dx, this disappears. The ln x goes to 1 over x, but we're timesing it by 3, so we'll put a 3 up there as well. 2 to go. So y equals e to the 3x minus e to the minus 3x. Just got two things here then. So e to the 3x stays as an e to the 3x, but I've got to times by the 3. E to the minus 3x stays as an e to the minus 3x, but I've got to times by the minus 3. So minus minus, it becomes a plus there. And h, the last one, I've got room to do it. Yeah, it's going to be a long one though. So we've got 1 plus e to the x all squared divided by e to the x. We've got to tidy this up first of all. So I need to square this first of all. Squaring that gives 1 plus 2e to the x's plus e to the x all squared. Or e to the 2x, of course. And we're dividing that by e to the x, so we're still not there. So this gives 1 over e to the x, plus these cancel out here to give you 2, and one of those cancels out to give that one there. And we're still not there, because 1 over e to the x could be rewritten as e to the minus x. All of that work was just to tidy this up before we could differentiate. Now we can differentiate. That e to the x stays the same. That e to the x, e to the minus x, stays the same, but we times by the minus. And the 2 there just disappears. So here is our final answer.